Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the brow area so the thread grips hair, not oil. This prevents slipping. Once done, measure the start, arch, and tail points using a small mark so symmetry guides you. Sit upright with a bright light and mirror at eye level to see angles clearly. Place the thread loop around your fingers and test tension. It should form a twisted center that opens and closes with finger motion. Now you're ready to engage the first small section precisely. You pinch a tiny cluster of hairs, no more than 3-5, to avoid pain and maintain control, and hold the skin taut with your free hand for cleaner removal. Next, twist the center of the loop about 10 to 15 times so the snare is firm. This creates a precise grab. Then position the snare under the hair at the root, roll the twist toward the hair base, and pull sharply. This lifts hair from the follicle, giving a clean line once repeated across the brow. You finish by stepping back to check symmetry and shape. Make tiny adjustments and trim any stray long hairs with small scissors. Once done, soothe the area with a cold compress for 2-3 minutes, then apply aloe or a light antiseptic to reduce redness and prevent infection. If hairs keep breaking instead of pulling out, make sure your thread is thicker or cleaner and reduce the number of twists. This prevents slippage and ensures removal at the root, not just snapping the hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.